It's hot and it's flowing extremely fast. It's about 32 degrees today, and the bees aren't happy. And I think they know something's going on, but that is flowing extremely fast. But look at that honey. I've no idea how many I'm going to get. It doesn't look as though it's full. But that frame I'm harvesting from, the first 3 to 4 cells at the front here have nothing in it at all. Everything else either side is completely full and capped. And then the 3 next to it and the one next to that one all got honey in it, and they're probably about 70% capped honey in total. So I'm pretty happy with harvesting just this one frame of my first harvest, and it's still bellowing out of there. But I'm going to back up because I've got a bee hovering around me. I don't want it to go into the honey. I might put that lid up. No. I think I might get a contraption that goes down and then into the jar. But I'll let that go. I can't wait to taste it. The bees will be very quick at fixing all that capping, taking it all off, and start filling it up with nectar again. Look at that, still going. It's so warm today, the honey is just flowed out extremely quickly. I'm hoping we don't get any leakage. There we have it, look at the colour of that. I'm just going to back off because I've got this bee annoying the hell out of me. Oh wow, super excited. Take care everyone, bye.